In this video, let me quickly teach you how to share an Amazon Music playlist. If you created or like a playlist inside of Amazon Music and want to share it with others or on social media platforms, let me show you how it is exactly done. First things first, head over to the playlist that you're trying to share. Once you're inside of a particular playlist, you just need to click on the three dotted line that you'd be able to see. And right here, you'll see the option called Share This Playlist. As soon as you click on it, you will have a few options. Either you can share it to social media platforms such as Facebook or Twitter, or you can also share it via email. If not, and if you want to share it on other social media platforms where the option is not provided, you can just copy in this link. And once the link has been copied, you can directly share it with other people as well as on other social media platforms. So you can repeat this process for any playlist that you might have and that you might want to share to others. You can do the same thing for a particular song. Click on the three dotted line, and here you'll see the option called Share This Song. And you can either copy this link or share it directly to social media platforms. So that's all there is in sharing playlists inside of Amazon Music. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.